In this video, I'll show you how you can block all incoming messages and calls on WhatsApp, even when you are connected to the Wi-Fi. Launch WhatsApp and look at the bottom right corner for settings. Open settings and go down until you see storage and data. Open storage and data and again go down until you see proxy. You can make up your own proxy here, or you can use the one that I've put on the screen, but this is just a random proxy that I've made up. Turn the proxy on and your phone should now be trying to connect through this proxy. Just a quick explanation behind this method. By using a fake proxy, all the internet traffic is routed through a proxy that can't connect to the internet. This means that all incoming messages and calls will fail to connect, leaving messages sent to you with a single tick until you turn off the proxy. To verify that you are running through the proxy, go back to your chats. It will say connecting, indicating that you are offline. This method ensures that you won't receive any messages or calls on WhatsApp while the proxy is on. I hope that this video has helped you.